If snowy owls are known for one thing, it's their white plumage, which helps them blend into their frost-covered habitats. Wildlife photographer Julie Maggart has spent years capturing images of snowy owls. So when she heard about a strange, orange-colored snowy owl spotted in Michigan's Thumb area, she knew she had to see it for herself. Maggart drove 2 hours to the location where the owl had been observed. Before long, she spotted it in the middle of a field. She couldn't believe her eyes. The owl was truly orange. Determined to get a clear shot, Maggart waited all day, hoping the owl would perch on a pole. But as dusk approached, it flew into a tree and stayed there until nightfall. All her photos from that day were unusable. Undeterred, Maggart returned. The second time, the same thing happened. She arrived at first light, but the owl vanished from view by nightfall. On her third visit, she finally managed to capture a few shots of the owl in flight. Many might have given up at this point, but not Maggart. She was determined to photograph the owl sitting still, showcasing its remarkable orange feathers. On her fourth attempt, while driving around searching for the bird, she finally got her chance. The owl perched atop a utility pole, allowing Maggart to capture the images she had been dreaming of. "I went home feeling on cloud 9 because I worked so hard and put so many hours into this owl," Maggart told the dodo. In her quest to photograph the rare bird, which she nicknamed Creamsicle, Maggart logged 900 miles of driving and spent nearly 30 hours sitting in her car. But it was all worth it. No one had ever seen an owl like Creamsicle before. Many animal species have rare but documented genetic color variations, such as blue lobsters and white orcas. However, Creamsicle is the first orange snowy owl ever photographed. The reason for her unusual coloring remains a mystery. Kevin McGraw, a biology professor at Michigan State University, suspects an environmental factor may have disrupted the owl's genetic code, either during her development or through her mother's exposure to something unusual. As for Maggart, she remains uncertain about the cause. "I just don't know if anybody's ever going to find out," she said. "Since Creamsicle may be one of a kind, Maggart feels honored to have not only witnessed her, but also shared her with the world. It may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity," she said. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest content.